This or that. Let's talk about both of these earbuds. Right here we have the Tagry, and this is the AirPods Pro second generation. So let's break down their pros and cons. Let's first start with the Tagry earbuds. They have 120 hours of playtime. They open through the bottom, so you get this large display over here at the top, which tells you how much charge they have. They do have silicone tips, which is so great, and they magnetically connect to their case, so it's super easy to just put them right back. Their charging case display is definitely one of my favorite features about them, as you can see which side has more juice, so you can listen to that one. Now moving on to the AirPod Pro second generation. As you can see, the case is relatively smaller and it does open through the top, not the front. And here they are. I absolutely adore these. These also have a silicone tip and such a different design from the Tagry. They're one of my favorite things to use, and I really like that they also have noise control and transparency mode. So which one would you get, Tagry or AirPods?